is Dr. Behnam. I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and today we're joined with one of our lovely patients. So this is a testimonial for acne scars using only TCA cross. Like, I'm a big believer of TCA cross. I think for deep indented scars, the TCA chemical peel honestly is the first choice of treatment, whereas later on you could do some laser resurfacing once those deep scars fill in. So we did about 2 TCAs on you about a while ago, so dear, welcome. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I've noticed a big improvement in my face. I used to have pretty bad indents and bad damage from my acne, but the TCA cross has helped significantly. After only 2 treatments of it, I've noticed a huge improvement in my skin. I'm much happier with it.
Did you have any problems afterwards? Did you have any side effects? Any issues?
No, it was fairly easy. My skin, it got a little scabbed after, and it went through the healing process. And then I used the cream that you prescribed, and
yes.
it just came back to a more even skin tone, and I didn't really have any issues.
Yes, we had used a bleaching cream afterwards, that's
yes,
what it was. So, well, I'm very happy. You really look great. The forehead looks good, the cheeks look great. We will do additional TCA cross segments today, treatments today, and hopefully you may get better results. Thank you so much for sharing this testimonial with us.